Hi guys, welcome back to my mathematics tutorial. My name is Peter C. Dover Jr., your math tutor, and I am an instructor of mathematics at the University of Liberia. In today's lesson, we want to continue with finding the derivatives of the trigonometric function or the trigonometric inverse function. So in previous lesson, we did the derivative of sine inverse of x and cos inverse of x. So we want to now look at how we can find the derivative of tangent inverse of x. So to do that, we take the function here, we equate it to some y. So the function right here is just tangent inverse of x. So we say y, let y equals to tangent inverse of x. So our next step is to ensure that we get rid of this inverse. So to do that, we take tangent on both sides. So we say tangent of y and then tangent of tangent inverse of x. So we know that tangent of tangent inverse of x is just equal to x. Then we differentiate both sides using implicit differentiation. So what is the derivative of tangent of y? Tangent of y is just secant square y. Then we differentiate the angle. The derivative of y is just 1. But since y is the name of the function, we attach y prime. So the derivative of x now is just 1. We solve for this y prime, we get, so we need to divide both sides now by secant square. So y prime now is equals to 1 all over secant square y. But from the Pythagorean identity, we know that cos square y plus sine square y is equals to 1. Additionally, the quotient identity for secant is 1 all over cos of y. So since secant is 1 over cos, we can divide all sides by cos square y, so that we just be able to get secant. The reason why we are using square because the numerator are all square. All of the terms in the numerators are all square. So this and this is just 1. Sine over cosine is tangent, but since the two of them, they are all square, so we say tangent inverse, tangent square y, not tangent inverse. So this is now 1 over cos, which is secant square y. So now we've gotten the identity for tangent square y. So that's why we see tangent. Let's say we've gotten the identity for secant square y. So that is, we have y prime to be equal to 1 all over 1 plus tangent square y. So rewriting tangent square y, we have tangent of y all square. So what was it? Tangent of y was just equals to x. So y prime is just 1 all over 1 plus x squared. So in general, we can say d by dx of tangent inverse of x is just equal to, or let's use y now, let's use u. Let's use u for the general form. So we have tangent inverse of u is just equal to 1 all over 1 plus u squared times the derivative of u. So this is the general form for finding the derivative of the tangent inverse function. So see you next lesson. In our next lesson, we'll look at the derivative of cosecant of x, secant of x, and cotangent of x. Thanks all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you. Thank you.